Hey explorers, I'm Luna, your kid astronaut, and today we're blasting off on a magical space adventure. Whoosh, imagine a rocket that looks like a glittering comet, zooming from my backyard into the star-sprinkled sky. In the next 60 seconds, we'll hop from planet to planet, meet moons, and discover secrets that will make your imagination sparkle. Ready? Grab your helmet, hold tight, and let's launch into the first amazing fact about our very own home planet Earth. Stay tuned. Next stop is the blue marble we call home. First stop Earth. Did you know our planet is like a giant water balloon floating in space? Over 70% of Earth is covered by oceans. So much water that you could fill a bathtub a gazillion times. And those fluffy white clouds, they're nature's cotton candy, constantly moving and shaping weather. Earth also spins like a merry-go-round, giving us day and night in just 24 hours. Imagine a day that's a whole spin around the sun. Whoa, pause. Next, we'll hop onto the nighttime side of the sky to meet Earth's best friend, the moon. Get ready for some lunar magic. Look up. That glowing night friend is our moon, Earth's trusty sidekick. Even though it looks small, the moon is actually a giant rock about 2,200 miles wide, big enough to fit the whole United States inside. It never has clouds, so its surface is a patchwork of dark seas called Maria and bright highlands. Did you know the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, about an inch each year? That means someday, future kids might see a slightly smaller moon in the sky. Pause. Ready for a speedy ride? Let's zoom to the fastest planet in our solar system, Mercury. Zooming closer to the sun, we meet Mercury. The fastest planet, Mercury, whizzes around the sun in just 88 Earth days, which means a year there is shorter than a single Earth season. It's so close to the sun that its surface gets hotter than a pizza oven, up to 800 degrees F. Yet, because it has almost no atmosphere, the night side can freeze to minus 280 degrees F. Imagine a place where daytime feels like a summer barbecue and nighttime feels like a freezer. Giggle. Hold on tight, because next we're heading to the planet that wears a thick, steamy blanket, Venus. Welcome to Venus. The planet that's basically Earth's hotter, cloudier cousin. Venus is wrapped in a thick, poisonous cloud blanket that traps heat, making it the hottest planet. Even hotter than Mercury. Imagine a giant greenhouse where the temperature never drops below 900 degrees F. Enough to melt lead. And guess what? A day on Venus, one full spin, lasts 243 Earth days. Longer than its whole year. That means the sun rises in the west and sets in the east, totally upside down. Pause. Ready for a red rock adventure? Let's blast off to the dusty, mysterious world of Mars. Now we've landed on Mars, the red planet. Its surface is covered in iron-rich dust that makes it look like a giant rusted desert. Did you know Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system? Olympus Mons towers 3 times higher than Mount Everest, and there's a canyon, Valles Marineris, that's 10 times deeper than the Grand Canyon. Mars also has 2 tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, that look like potato-shaped space rocks. Scientists think one day humans might set up a base there, maybe even a playground. Excited gasp. Up next, we're heading to the biggest planet of all, Jupiter. Whoa, look at Jupiter, the king of planets. It's so massive that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter is a giant ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, so you could say it's a massive, floating beach ball. Its most famous feature is the Great Red Spot, a storm bigger than Earth that has been raging for centuries. Imagine a hurricane that never stops. Jupiter also has 79 moons, including Ganymede, the biggest moon in the solar system, larger than Mercury. Whoosh. Ready for a planet with dazzling rings? Let's spin over to Saturn next. Behold Saturn, the planet with the most dazzling jewelry. Its rings stretch out over 200,000 miles and are made of ice, rock, and dust, like a cosmic hula hoop. If you could stand on one of Saturn's moons and look up, you'd see the rings stretching across the sky like a giant rainbow. Saturn is also lighter than water. If you could find a bathtub big enough, it would float. And just like Jupiter, Saturn has dozens of moons, including Titan, which has lakes of liquid methane. Giggle. Our adventure is getting icy. Next, we'll visit the frosty twins Uranus and Neptune. Now we're entering the icy realm of the outer planets, Uranus and Neptune. Uranus is unique because it rolls on its side like a sleepy rolling ball, giving it crazy seasons that last 21 Earth years each. Its blue-green color comes from methane gas that soaks up red light, leaving a cool teal glow. Neptune, the farthest planet, has the strongest winds in the solar system, speeding up to 1,200 miles per hour. That's faster than a supersonic jet. Both planets are giant balls of gas and ice, and each has a set of mysterious moons dancing around them. Whoosh, up next, we'll meet the star that makes all of this possible, our Sun. Here's the ultimate wow moment. Our Sun, this giant ball of fire, is so massive it holds 99.8% of all the mass in the solar system. Imagine a star that could fit 1 million Earths inside the Sun's energy, travels 93 million miles to reach us, giving us daylight, warmth, and the power to grow plants. Inside the Sun, nuclear fusion turns hydrogen into helium, releasing a mind-blowing amount of energy, enough to power the entire Earth for billions of years. And did you know the Sun spins like a top, completing a rotation roughly every 27 days? Dramatic pause, ready for the grand finale. Let's zoom out to a spectacular nebula, a stellar nursery of colors. Welcome to the Orion Nebula, a dazzling cloud of gas and dust where new stars are born. Like a cosmic nursery, this glowing masterpiece looks like a giant, colorful jellyfish drifting in space, and it's so huge that it would take over 1,000 Earths lined up side by side to cover it. Inside, gravity pulls the gas together until a new star ignites, shining bright for millions of years. Some of those newborn stars will have their own planets, maybe even tiny alien worlds. Imagine looking up and seeing a sky full of brand new suns twinkling. Our adventure is almost over, but there's one more special goodbye waiting for you. What an adventure! From Earth's blue oceans to the glittering nebula, we've explored the wonders of our universe together. Remember, the sky is a giant storybook, and you're the brave explorer turning each page. Keep looking up, ask questions, and let your imagination soar like a rocket. If you love these fun space facts, hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Space Explorers for more stellar journeys. Until our next cosmic quest, keep dreaming big, because the universe is yours to discover. Cheerful music fades out.